Hi friends, welcome back to Happy Hut. In this video, I am going to take you all to a very precious location in Kuwait. So you would have seen from the title that it is none other than a book library. So why am I terming it as precious? Because in Kuwait, as far as I know, this is the only place which serves as a book library. There are many different bookstores where we can buy books, but this is the only place where you can borrow books, you can exchange the books for credit, and later you can use this credit for buying future books. So this is similar to a barter system. This book library is called Better Books, and this is following the similar kind of principle what the barter books in United Kingdom is following. So one of the main reasons why I'm sharing this video is because this book library is like a hidden gem in Kuwait, because this is very least known to people. It is rarely known by the people. So I wanted to share this video with you all so that people in Kuwait can make the most out of it. Especially you can take your kids to this location, because it's the best place for the kids to begin their reading journey. So come, let's get started. For the people here in Kuwait, let me tell you, this Better Books library is present in Salmiya. So this is in a basement location. So this is the entrance of the book library. There is a small cute library which is a very cozy place for reading. So on a lighter note, there are a few more things to enjoy in this book library apart from books. So here you are seeing a coffee place where you can make your own coffee. And this is one cozy spot where you can sit and enjoy the books. So this has more of children's books. So look how the books are very neatly arranged, and this is the cozy reading spot, and it's a beautiful light is also present for reading. And this is the main hall of the library, and this beautiful pot is kept out of the entrance of the library with some beautiful pictures, some inspirational pictures and news. All these are present out of the library. And look, you can see a cute little bell also. And you can see a post about the Better Books library on how it works, about the barter system there. And there is another cute little pot in the entrance. And this is the actual entrance door of the library. So you can see the spot. It is so neatly arranged and so beautiful, and it gives a very pleasant reading experience. You can see there's no running instructions. Similar kind of cute little instructions will be pasted all around. And if you are an art lover, then it's a must place visit for you. If you love books as well as art, then it's a very apt place for you to visit, because everything is so artistically placed and it's very nice to look around. If you can see the pictures over there, the decoration items, all are looking very different, and so many antique pieces are there. So apart from books, there are a lot more things to enjoy in this library. So if you can see, all the different types of books are arranged according to the category. For example, science, business, language, and all these are arranged. And the best part is all these books are arranged perfectly in their own category, and they are not messed up, so it will be easy to find out. And the person in charge in the library also will be very helpful. He used to help us with any authors or any type of books. So there are many different cozy spots like this to sit and read. And you can see all around different pictures and beautiful items. So let me explain you about how the library works. So if your kids or if you want to read the books, you can just sit over here and enjoy the books for free. And if you want to buy the books for yourself, you have both old books, that is used books, as well as fresh new books. So if you are buying books for yourself, you can buy it, and then after you finish reading, you can either return it back in the library or you can keep it with yourself. You could see this beautiful piano kept over here. So it was also written that if you are interested in playing, you could very well sit and play. So this kind of opportunity is also available. You can see more of different antique pieces and beautiful paintings over here. So let me continue. So if you are planning to return the books back in the library, then these books will be purchased on 50% credit. So this credit will be yours, and if you're planning to buy more books, that credit will be adjusted with your new books. So this is really a great advantage for you. You can keep reading more books with 50% credit. So it's a great savings on you. So this is how all the books are arranged in a neat manner, and this is another cozy reading spot. You could also see a bird kept over there in a cage. So this name is called Kiki. So this is a very beautiful bird, and when it is let out, it comes and sits on us, and we could really enjoy that also. There is one more pet also in this. There is a cat named as Frosty. And this is a look of the library from the left side. So here you have general fiction books, and further if you go, you could see books for adults like comedy or fiction or a mystery, crime novels. All these are present over here. And this is where the books for mystery, crime and all those books for adults are kept over here. And this is another reading spot. You can see suspense and horror and crime novels. All these are present here. Thrillers, popular authors, all these are here. So you can also see some beautiful paintings on top of that. The best part of the library, it is very neatly managed, and all the books are beautifully arranged, so it's easy for picking any of the books. This is sci-fi and fantasy. See, look, the paintings over here. It's really a very suitable place for art lovers, and even the seatings are very beautifully done. The books for humor are present over here. And in this section, general fiction books are present. And everywhere you go, there are different antique pieces, and look at this. And even here you have different beautiful statues, and this is like a Chinese small table. So every single piece you see over here, it's a kind of different art. And the painting over here, this is especially the children's corner. So right now we have seen the books for adults, but now here you have children's section. So there is another thing called Hall of Fame, so which I'll explain to you. So these are the book readers who have achieved earlier by reading many books. So this is the children's section. Here it starts. So you have for teens and for kids. So this is mostly for kids ranging from 10 to teens. This is a very cozy spot, and you also have some scribblings on the wall. So this is not actually scribblings, but their feedback. The kids' feedback is beautifully captured on the wall, and there are some paintings are also on the wall, which are done by the kids. Another important thing is the kids are being recognized here, and they are motivated here. So kids really fall in love with this place, and they love to visit more and more. So if you see, I told you, the kids have written their feedback. Instead of capturing that on papers, it is so naturally captured on the walls. So this gives a very beautiful impression.
You like this place?
And in this area, there are books for very little kids. And look at the hangings over here. All are looking very different and very cute. And this is the children's reading corner. And you have many number of books over here, and you can very well choose the books, and you can first sit and read over here. You have two big sofas here. You can sit and read the books. And in this area, there are books of Indian authors and literature books. All are present over here. And these are the ones which are like feast to the eyes of an art lover. You can enjoy these as well as along with the books. So everywhere you have different paintings and antique items and decorations over here. So now let me talk about the Hall of Fame. During the summer holidays, it is June, July and August, they have a challenge called Kiki Reading Challenge, named after the bird in this library. So you can read as many number of books as possible, and for each age category they have minimum number of books to be read. So if you have to complete those minimum number of books, and you can even read more number of books, and at the end of the holidays they will be checking on how many books you have read, and based on that you will be given different cash vouchers or different gifts on basis of that. So if you are free, you can reach out to the library and take part in that challenge. This is mainly for kids, and this is again the children's reading corner. You have different varieties of authors. You have Harry Potter books, and for kids you have Roald Dahl. My daughter's favorite was Diary of a Wimpy Kid, and she almost finished all of the editions of that author. If you have kids in the range of 6 to 10 years, they will definitely love that author's books. And as I said earlier, if you love to buy books and stock in your house, then it is very well fine. But if you are a person like you want to read the books and then return the books away, then it's a really good option for you, because once you read it, then you can return the books and you can even get credit for that, and you can use that money for buying books in the future. So this is really a very good opportunity. So you can buy more and more books for lesser price. You're even getting credit for that. So if you are in Kuwait, then definitely visit this place, because as far as I know, this is the only library which I have seen. Otherwise we have many bookstores, but this is the library where you can exchange books, you can return them, buy more books, you can sit and peacefully read the books. So this library gives a very cozy feeling, and kids will absolutely love this place. So definitely, if you want your kids to start their reading journey, then definitely try to do a visit to this place. And this is present in Salmiya. If you can check in the maps to get the location of this place. So this is a table where a beautiful Chinese art is done. This is definitely not a sponsored video. I just want to share this with you all, because this place is least known to the people. Even I came to know about this on a very later date only. So if you can see here, I told you about the Kiki bird. So when it is let out of the cage, so this comes and sits on our shoulders or on our hands very beautifully. It's so it's so friendly with us. So you can see some clips now with the bird and with the frosty cat. So it sits like this, and it's so peaceful and it's so nice to watch, and even kids will love being in this location. And this is the frosty cat. This is also so sweet and very cute looking.
Frosty. Frosty. Hi, Frosty. என்னது?
Any of them want answer, right?
Okay.
Any of the Eden Titans.
I found only one in the book.
There are lots of Eden Titans. The Eden Titans are very good. The whole room is full of chapter books.
So this is a Kiki reading challenge which I was talking about earlier. So what you have to do is you have to get this paper from the library and mention the author name, book name and the number of pages, ISBN number, and keep reading. So till the end of August, the kids can keep on reading the books and they can record all the details. And by September first week, you can submit this in the library and they will check on how many number of books you have read and they'll give the prizes accordingly.